Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got a special guest. This is Lynn from Kaboki, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about Kaboki later on. But we are making chocolate brownies today. Do you like chocolate brownies?
I love chocolate brownies.
Awesome! I'm going to teach you how to make the most awesome chocolate brownies. You don't even have to have another recipe. This is it.
I can't wait.
This is Everyday Baking with Grace Stevens. So to start off, Lynn, I'm going to give you the job of melting the chocolate and the butter. So there's 125 grams of chocolate in there, 125 grams of butter, and then we give it a good squeeze of golden syrup. So much sugar in here that the kids absolutely love it. So that is about a tablespoon of syrup. So give that a stir. We shouldn't really get it too hot because both butter and chocolate melt at very low temperatures. So we're just going to get it so that it mixes all together there. That buzzing sound that you hear is my convection cooker there. It's very smart. So I've got 2 cups of sugar here, which is an awful lot of sugar, but really this is what makes the brownies so delicious. 3 eggs to crack in here. And then some vanilla extract. Chocolate and vanilla are best friends, Lynn.
I love vanilla.
Yeah, so it really does bring out your flavour of your chocolate when you use vanilla in it. And then I'm going to give this a good So we get this nice and pale like that. That is just the way we want it. How are you doing over here?
Almost done.
So let's switch that off. So if the butter still hasn't melted completely, you can turn it off the heat because that residual heat will melt all nice because you don't want to burn the chocolate. Unfortunately, that's something that might happen. So we're going to start off with the cocoa, and we're just going to sift in half a cup of cocoa. So this is going to make them double chocolate brownies because you've got the chocolate there and then you've got this chocolate here, and this just makes them absolutely yummy. So would you eat this with coffee?
I'll eat this with everything.
You know, it's awesome with a cup of coffee for breakfast. So Lynn, tell me about Kaboki. How did it come about?
Kaboki started off as an online store that I opened up when my daughter was born because I decided I don't like bookkeeping anymore. It's a bit boring. I wanted something that I could, you know, align with my family. And I started blogging to promote my online store, and then I realized I don't need any products and I don't need a store.
Because everybody likes listening to you.
Well, you don't need products to make money from blogging.
I know.
So I don't need to stock anything, I don't need to buy anything, I don't need to store it, I don't need to ship it, I don't need to talk to people, I don't need to be available 24 hours a day. I can close my store and do whatever I like with my blog. So I closed that in 2016.
Yes.
And I've been blogging full-time ever since.
That's amazing. You've got really stunning articles, really current stuff that really moms, new moms, old moms, busy moms, we all can find something with Kaboki that we really, really like. So why Kaboki?
Kaboki, my husband's Afrikaans, and he called our daughter Stota Kabota when she was born. Yes. And he called her Kwai Barbecue, which I don't know where that quite is from. I think it's from one of the Afrikaans kiddies programs.
Okay.
And you know, he often called it Kabota turkey, and then I just took it and shortened it into a nonsense word. Yes. Because old children always use nonsense words to make things up. Yes. And it was nicer, shorter, and more catchy.
I love it. I absolutely love it. So I've put a cup of flour in here alongside the cocoa, and I've just given it a bit of a mix because otherwise you're just going to have like this cloud of flour. I'm just going to mix it a little bit, and you pour that into here, Lynn. And you are the most awesome assistant. Great.
Makes me think of Charlie in the Chocolate Factory with the river of chocolate.
Doesn't it smell amazing? Yes. So this is a very thick batter, and it's the way it's supposed to be, so don't worry if it's too thick. I think we got that.
Yeah.
Fine.
Who gets to lick those?
You can lick them.
No shame, you've got your children here. You should Give it to them to lick, that would be a sacrilege.
But I'll turn the beaters off first before they start licking. Eh? So I've got a 20 centimeter square pan here, and I've just lined it with baking paper. And I'm going to pop this in here. As I said, it's a very thick batter, so it is going to take a little bit of krach to get it in there. So I've chopped up some almond nuts here. So these are raw almond nuts. You pop them on top, and we're just going to press them in a little bit, but when they're in the oven they're going to roast and they're going to go all nice and toasted, and when you bite into that brownie you get that toasted almond taste, and it's absolutely amazing. So go ahead and help me out here with some almonds. So this is 50 grams of almonds, but of course if you're adventurous you can put some more in. You can use any sort of nuts that you like, just don't use pistachios, because pistachios unfortunately are going to get lost in the flavour of the chocolate, and they also burn quite easily, so you don't want to use pistachios. What's your favourite nut?
My favourite nut? Oh, I like all of them.
Oh, yeah. I know, my husband's my favourite nut. I'm just pushing this in on top there so that it sticks into the batter. How's that?
Perfect.
This goes into the oven at 160 degrees for about 45 minutes. Now the trick with brownies is they're never ever going to come out clean when you put a knife in and you pull it out. They're supposed to be all gooey, but you stick a knife in about 2/3 of the way in and it should come out. So if it's gooey, so that you know that see that it's raw, it needs another 5 minutes. But but if it comes out and all it is just cooked goo,
perfect. That's
the way we want it. Okay. So let's go put this in the oven. Right, Lynn.
Yes.
I've walked these out of the oven and I've let them cool because they've got to cool completely here in the pan. And I'm just going to pull this paper just to loosen it a little bit. And then pull it out of the pan.
Wow.
And peel away the paper. Oh. When they came out and they were hot, I just scored them a little bit because it's a bit tricky to cut them once they are completely cooled. So you can cut them into 16 pieces like I've done now, or you can pretend that no one likes the crusts.
They don't like the crusts.
And then this can be your little nibble. Yeah. So now I've cut them into 16 pieces. A little bit of muscle brownies. I reckon if you work hard to bake it, then you're not calories on the way down.
Definitely.
Don't you think? Mm-hmm. So basically you're working off the calories making these babies. Right, moment of truth.
Yes.
Okay, let's have a go.
So gorgeous. This is it.
In the comments below, tell me what's your favorite thing to have for dessert, because I'd like to know. Enjoy. Oh, flipping nice. If you like that, give it a like. And don't forget
to subscribe.
If you're looking for kaboki, of course you're looking for kaboki, find in the comments below. And don't forget to share everyone.